Oh, hello, and welcome back to another Musical Monday with Wonder Boy. No E's, no O's, just Wonder Boy. Today we're going to learn about the difference between beat and rhythm. When someone says they love the beat of a song, are they talking about the steady beat? Well, no, they're usually not. They're usually talking about what we call the rhythm because it's a lot more interesting. Ready to learn more? Well, you know what time it is. Now that we know steady beat is a pulse that stays the same, let's learn about some different beats that have a different name. Rhythm is a pattern that happens over time. So listen to this rhythm and clap your hands like mine. It goes ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Great job. The easiest way to explain the difference between rhythm and beat is by using songs. So we're going to start with classic nursery rhymes that you might know. First thing I want you to do is keep a steady beat on your lap while you listen and sing along. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Now I want you to sing along to the song, but instead of keeping the steady beat, I want you to clap along to the words, because the words usually match the rhythm. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Awesome job. What you just clapped is the rhythm of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Let's do it again, but this time we're only going to do the rhythm. So no singing, just clapping. I'll put some stars on the screen so you can see the rhythm as you clap. 1, 2, ready, go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Awesome job! That was your second rhythm. Now we're going to try it with a different song, but we're going to go back to doing the steady beat. So hands up, here we go. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All the children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Great job. Now here's the test. Can you clap the rhythm of that song without singing the words? Let's give it a try. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All the children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Great job. Even if you had to sing along, you still did it. And that is what matters. Let's give it one more try, and I'll even put some raindrops on the screen to help you if you need to see it while you clap it. Are you ready? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All the children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. That's it. Great job. Next time we're going to dive a little deeper into the topic of rhythm and talk about long,